this video I'm going to be sharing with you a website that could actually pay you real money right here in Nigeria every single day. So this video is going to be a step-by-step on how you could actually make money online right here in Nigeria. The first thing you need to do is to actually head over to this website. So once you're actually on this website right here, so you can see right here that is how the website actually looks like. But before I actually show you guys how you could actually make money from this website, let me quickly show you guys something real quick. So if I head over to Trustpilot right here, you guys are going to notice that this app actually has 5-star reviews right here. And you guys will see right here, if I scroll down a bit right here, you guys are going to see that this is a review that was actually posted 4 days ago, and you can see right here this person actually says he loves the payout threshold and the payment method of this website. So this actually means that this person actually has actually made money from this website, and you guys could see right here that the review was actually posted 4 days ago. And if I actually scroll down a bit right here, you guys are going to notice that this is another review from someone again. This person actually said he actually withdraw his earnings from this website. So if I keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, you guys are going to notice that this website actually has a very good rating, and a lot of people are actually making money right here from this website. So don't worry guys, I'm going to be telling you the name of the website in a bit. So all you need to do is to actually just click on this menu bar right here to actually create an account. That is the first thing you need to do. So once you click on this start earning, so once you click on the start earning, it's going to take you straight up to this page. You'll be asked to like fill out your email address, put in your name, put in your state, put in your gender, your age, and then confirm your password. Then once you're done with that, basically all you need to do is to actually just click on this register button right here. So once you click on this register button right here, your account is going to be created. So I know a lot of you guys might actually be wondering that, okay, how are we actually going to be making this money? So you can see right here, it's actually stated on the website that we are actually going to be making money by actually performing simple tasks on our phone. And these tasks are actually the kind of tasks that you guys actually do on a daily basis, like liking someone post on Instagram, commenting on someone post on IG, and also following someone on Instagram, and you basically get paid from the comfort of your home. So guys, I could actually tell you that this website is one of the best websites that you're actually going to be seeing right here on the internet, because this website has the best job that you could actually do right here. And again, their payout threshold is actually awesome, because you could actually withdraw your money once you actually made 500 naira. So you guys had me right, compared to other website whereby they're gonna ask you to, before you could actually withdraw your money, you need to have about like 3,000 naira, 5,000 naira for you to be able to withdraw your money. But on this website right here, you could actually withdraw your money once you actually reach 500 threshold. And again guys, there are a lot of jobs right here on this website that you could actually do on a daily basis. So you guys could see right here that this website actually updates their job like every single minute. You could actually get over 100 daily tasks to do right here on this website. You don't need anything to actually make money on this website. All you just need is your smartphone and your internet connection, no investment whatsoever. So all you need to do is actually just create an account. Like I said, I'm going to be leaving the link to all the website that I'm going to be mentioning right here in the video description. Just click on the link in the video description, and it's going to be taking you straight up to this website. And by the way, if you're finding the video helpful so far, please don't forget to give your boy a like, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Basically, once you're done creating your account right here, this is how the interface of the website literally looks like. So the first thing you need to do right here is to actually click on this menu button right here at the left corner. So all you need to do is to actually link your social media account to this website, so you'll be able to start performing tasks. So just click on this edit social media account. So once you click on this edit social media account, it's going to take you straight up to this page. So you could actually link your Instagram account, you could link your Twitter account, your Facebook account, whatever social media that you have. So all you need to do is to actually just select the platform right here. So I'm going to be clicking on Instagram. So all you need to do is to actually just input your Instagram username. You can see right here I already put mine. So all you need to do is to actually click on save. So you could actually do this for multiple accounts right here on this website. So once you're done with that, the next thing you need to do is to actually set up your payment method. So in order for you to do that, all you need to do is to actually just go over to the withdraw section. Just click on edit withdraw section. So you'll be able to like link your bank account right here. You can see right here I already linked my bank account. All you need to do is to just select the bank you're using. So I already linked mine right here, which is the Pampay. So you just input your account number. Then once you're done with that, just click on the save button. So once you click on the save button right here, your account is going to be linked. So once you're done with that right here, all you need to do is to actually just head over to the tax section. So you can see right here there are a lot of jobs you could actually do. So you can see right here that this job is actually going to be paying you 4 naira for you to actually follow someone on TikTok. This job is also going to be paying you 4 naira for you to actually like someone post on IG, to like someone post on Twitter. You can see right here there are a lot of jobs right here that are available right here, and if I keep on scrolling down, you are never going to run out of jobs. So guys, what are you guys actually waiting for? These are the kind of jobs you guys actually do on a regular basis, and you guys actually don't get paid, because I know a lot of you guys actually go on IG, go on Twitter, go on Facebook right here to watch different kind of video, and you guys are going to be liking this post, commenting on this post, and you guys are not actually getting paid. But actually earn money by actually doing what you love on a regular basis. So you could actually just head over to someone post on IG, like the person's post, and actually you're going to be getting paid. So I could actually say that this is one of the easiest way for you to actually make money online from the comfort of your home, because literally you do not need anything to actually get started. All you need to do right here is to actually have a smartphone and have a good internet connection. So another option that you could actually use to make more money for yourself from this website is by actually referring your friends to the website. So whenever your friends actually sign up using your referral link, you're actually going to be getting a commission for that. We also join that Telegram group, so you're going to actually get notified whenever they post new tags right here on their website. So before I actually show you guys the next website that's actually going to be paying us real money every single day, let me quickly show you guys something real quick. So if I come over to my banks right here, you're going to notice that the last payment that I actually received from the website was actually 500 naira, and you guys could see right here, this is the money right here. And if I keep on scrolling right here, you guys are going to notice that I've actually received a couple of money right here from the website to actually tell you that this website is actually legit, and you could actually make some money right here from this website. So that we're actually going to be looking at right here, this website, and you guys could see right here you could actually earn some cool cash right here from the comfort of your home. And one thing I like about this website is actually you could actually get paid every single week, so you actually could withdraw your money every single week. The good part of it is that you could actually earn on this website in dollars. So this website is actually going to be paying you in dollars right here. So if you're someone who has been looking for a way to actually earn some dollars for yourself, then this website is for you. So basically on this website, you get paid to post on Facebook, you get paid to complete simple tasks like playing games on your phone, installing apps, completing micro tasks and answering surveys right here. So I'm actually going to say that this website is also one of the websites that you actually use to make some money, some legit and cool cash right here from the comfort of your home. And all you need to do is to actually have a good smartphone and a good internet connection. So I'm going to be leaving the link to the website in the video description. Just click on the first link or the second link in the video description. It's actually going to be taking straight up to this website. So all you need to do is to actually just click on the sign up button. So once you click on the sign up button right here, you'll be able to just enter your email address, enter your password, repeat your password, and confirm you are not a robot. So once you're done with that, basically all you need to do is to actually just click on the sign up now. So once you click on the sign up now, they're going to actually send you a verification code to your email. So you'll be asked to verify your account. So the verification code is going to be sent to your email. So once you're done with that right here, your account is going to be created. Basically, once you're done creating your account, this is how your account is going to look like. And you guys can see right here that currently I actually have $1 plus in my wallet right here. And you can see right here, this is the money I've actually earned today. So I haven't been active on this website. That's the reason why I haven't been making much money on this website. But guys, I've actually withdrawn a couple of dollars right here from this website. So basically all you need to do is to just agree with your terms and conditions. Once you're done with that right here, all you need to do is to actually just click on this menu bar. So once you click on this menu bar right here at the left corner right here, it's gonna take you straight to this tab. So all you need to do is to actually head over to the end section. So once you head over to the end section right here, you'll be able to see different kind of tasks that you could actually perform. So you could actually, if you want to perform the service, so you can actually click on service. So once you click on service, you're gonna see a lot of service that you could actually do. So you could also explore different ways you could use to actually make money online. So you could actually just refer your friends, do a lot of stuff. I could bet you with you that there are a lot of jobs right here on this website that I could actually do right here to make some money for yourself. So let me just go over to the tax section right here. You guys see right here that there are a lot of tax that you could actually do. So you can see right here that this tax is actually going to pay you 0.1 cent dollar to actually visit the website. So this tax is actually going to be paying you $0.017 to actually click on the website. So there are a lot of tax that you could actually do right here. So this tax is actually going to pay $0.14 for you to actually take part in a quiz competition. So there are a lot of tax you could actually do. So all you need to do is actually just go through them, and you could actually start making some money for yourself. So if in case you want to withdraw your money, all you need to do is to actually just head over to the payment section. So once you head over to the payment section right here, you'll be able to link your payment method right here to this website. So one thing I actually love about this website is actually that this website had different kind of payment methods. So you could actually see right here that you could actually withdraw your money through PayPal, through Payee, through Skrill, through Visa, through Litecoin. So for those of you that are actually watching this video from Nigeria, you guys know that PayPal is actually banned in Nigeria. So the best option for you to actually withdraw your money is by actually using the Litecoin. So you could actually just go to Binance.com to create a Binance account. So once you create a Binance account, Binance is actually going to be giving you a Litecoin address that you could actually withdraw your money with. So I hope you guys found the video helpful. So if you know you found the video helpful, please don't forget to give your boy a like the video, smash the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop awesome videos like this, you're going to be the first person to be notified, because my channel is all about making money online. So if you're someone who is interested in making money online, make sure you smash the subscribe button, like the video, share this video to your friends and family that needs to see this video. So if you also know you want to learn more ways that you could actually use to make money online, I'm going to advise you to actually check out the video right here, popping right here on your screen, and I'm going to see you guys right here in the next video.